that vote Tinubu in power, you will die. You are in Nigeria, and this is me calling name. You vote that old man in power, you die. Amen. This man spent 4 years in power, nothing to show. No light, no security. Things are very expensive. Anytime I enter Nigeria, I walk with 5 police to protect myself from unknown gunmen and kidnappers. And now he's everywhere, moving around, deceiving people, sharing you money. If you ever vote Tinubu in power, you will die. Amen. That man is an ancestor. Let him rest. We are not praying for him to die, but anyone that votes him in power, God will punish your generation. See, Nigeria don't ask for much. If you give them light, they are okay. Water, no water. You give them food, their food is expensive. Dollar, nyapa, everything is expensive. You did not vote for me. You did not vote for me, but I win.